In this beginner drawing tutorial, I'm going to show you how to sketch this face in front view using this simple Loomis head template. This is the reference that we'll be using today. And as I sketch, I'm going to overlay this template on the page so you can see what I'm thinking as I'm drawing. So firstly, I'm imagining that there's this circle on the page. Instead of drawing the circle, I'm going to use the hair as an outline. So I'll start at the top like this. And because I'm sketching, doing it quickly, I'm using these sketchy lines. This line is the hairline, and then if we imagine it comes across, it hits the edge of the circle and goes down, and that's the side of the head, somewhere about there. The hair comes down to about there, and that's where I'm going to put the brow line. So that same distance is the distance between the brow and the bottom of the nose. And now I'm drawing the jawline. Some of the hair. So now I've got the shape of the face, and I know that here was the brow line. So these are going to be my eyebrows, making sure they're symmetrical. So the same distance from the hairline to the brow. Now I'm going to go down that distance, which is where I started the jaw, and that's going to be the nose. I'm just going to pop it in like that. We've got the eyes, so the eyes, the tear ducts, about 2/3 up between the nose and the brow. That same width is how wide the eye is on either side. So let's draw, should have 4 dots. And now we can loosely sketch the top eyelid. Okay, now we come down to the mouth. So the split between the lips is about 2/3 up between the chin and the nose. So I'm going to put it about here. It's the middle point. We can look at the nose and see how wide the lips are. And she's got a very large bottom lip and a thinner top lip. Now we can change the hair a bit, and the neck comes down there. So now the iris, it's right in the middle of the eye. Okay, there you go, you have the basic structure of your face. There's a little line there to show the angle, and you can see on the nose there's a change of shadow, the bottom eyelash, and the eyebrow goes down a bit closer to the eye. This is a pen tool pocket brush pen. I'm just going to block in some black areas here. So I start with the eyebrows. Now the top eyelashes, the pupils. Now I'm going to frame the face with some dark hair. So the shoulder. Okay, now I'm using the pencil to do some shading. Can add in some of the freckles. And we can add a little glint. So there you go, that's my final sketch using the reference and the Loomis method to create all the structure first and then adding all the details on top. Hope you found that helpful, and I'll see you on the next one.